Tempura roll with spicy mayo and fish eggs on top. It is. I just didn't grow up with it, so I love it. The HOV lane. Tempura roll with spicy mayo and fish eggs on top. You want more, Bubba? You guys are eating. Oh my God. where do I even start with this? I don't know where to start. This is what I look like when I wake up, and I just put my hair up and it's curly, and I'm really puffy in the morning and I'm really red in the morning, and that's just how it is. And I've been trying so hard to film more, and I keep catching myself like, oh, my hair's not done, my makeup's not done, blah blah blah. But I appreciate vloggers that kind of show it all. There's Chelsea Callahan in New York, and I really like her vlogs because I feel like if I bumped into her in the street, like that's what I'm gonna get, and I really like that. Versus people that have the whole hair done, the whole 9 yards on makeup, and it's just like not something I can do. But I do want to vlog more. So today I'm doing my favorite thing. I'm on the Cape, and so I grew up in France, and my favorite thing to do when I'm here is do all of the American stores like BJ's, Home Goods, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, and I'm sitting outside of a Home Goods and a DSW. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go look around. We're gonna go antiquing this afternoon, I think, or at some point this weekend. There's also Hobby Lobby that I might go to, like just those big American malls. Like, I don't know what it is. I just didn't grow up with it, so I love it. I'm on the lookout for two accent chairs for my living room because it's bigger than anticipated. So there's my L-shaped couch and there's nothing across. So yeah, I'm just keeping an eye open. I also need a small kitchen table. So I have 2 stools but no table, and there's room for just me to have breakfast or work there when the sun is there. My apartment gets the sun the whole day. So I wake up, it's like loaded with sun all morning, all afternoon, and then I see the sunset. So it's perfect. Okay, so we're gonna go to DSW, then we're gonna go to Home Goods. I hope they're open. I didn't wear my watch. That's when you know I'm on vacation, when I don't wear a watch. It's really weird.